Muddy.
Yeah, it was
No
muddy.
broken bodies.
Sure. This is where they leave those treasures. You see?
What?
This is where they leave those treasures.
Oh wow.
Yes. So somebody just took it to the base camp.
So the lady has to walk?
Yeah. There is a SUV as I told you.
Oh, a car?
Yes, it came here.